What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Got a low-key cool move for you today, guys. I'm going to show you how Mayweather pieces together his combinations, right? It's all to do with the footwork. I'm going to get you to basically come out your double unders into a running kind of crossover move, right? And this kind of request came from a subscriber of mine who was basically telling me that he was off balance most of the time when he was doing this move. So we need the 2 minutes ready on the clock, and we're going to start this tutorial, right? First things first, what am I trying to show you? So I'm trying to show you when you go into, whether it's a double under, into sort of running crossover, or whether it's a double under crossover into a running crossover, okay? Now, where people don't really understand what happens in this move is how they come out of the double into the side swing, and then what happens after that kind of move. Similarly, you don't know what happens when you're in these kind of double under crossovers here, how you can then come out of that move and then start your running sequence, okay? That's what this tutorial is about. First things first, people, just make sure you got the right rope length. It's so difficult to get this right if your rope is too long. It's going to be dragging along the floor, a lot of friction. It's going to take you off balance, take you off kind of your rhythm. So make sure you got that done. Second of all, I'm going to expect you guys to know how to do a double under here, or if you're already advanced and can do your double under crossovers, you can do them. Lastly, the drill that I'm going to show you now is how you can then come out of these moves with a little side swing, run straight into that run skip. First drill is this. I want you to practice a double, and you're just going to move slightly forward on the mat. Camera B will pick that one up nicely. So here, you're just going to go here, and you're going to start to run forward. Okay, this is going to give you that sensation that you're in rhythm and you're balanced, okay? One more time. You're going to start a double, and you're just going to land on your stronger favored foot. In my case, it's the right foot, and you're going to step forward. As you step forward now, I'm going to try and show you this in slow motion. You're going to go into a side swing, again, on your favored side. So because I land on my right foot, I then step next, obviously, with my left. I'm already now on the left side swing. For those folks of you who are right-handed, you're going to do it the other way. You're probably going to land on your left foot and then step forward, right? So there's me stepping forward with my right, come forward, left, side swing, and then we get into the run skip. So that's the first drill. Use the kind of distance or space on your mat that you've got at home. Run forward, step down, left, right, open, run skip. The next step is how you're going to stay balanced, right? You need to get everything in timing. So when Mayweather's doing these moves, the double under cross, for example, he's here. As he comes forward, or as he lands, again, I land on my right, left. As you're doing that same sequence, it's left, right, run. So as you're doing the side swings, left, right, you're stepping down on those same feet on that side, if that makes sense. If you go to your right first, it's right, left, and then open. One more time. Side swing, boom, boom, 1, 2. What you need to remember, loads of things to remember, but the balance comes from the weight shift, the weight balance transfer. You don't want to be staying too static on both feet. Your run looks all weird. You want to transfer the weight here, step in, then into your run. Then you're going to go into your run crossovers, right? So the drill again, 1, 2, open. If you're going to use the double under crossovers, here, 1, 2, boom. So try that, folks. It's all about balance, staying on the balls of your feet as always. Just focus on getting those side swings at the same time as you step. That's also what's going to make it look really nice and effortless. If you're sort of swinging here, taking loads of steps, it's not going to look good, it's going to look awkward. Right, peeps, that about wraps up this tutorial. Really quick and easy. Quick tips to remember: stay balanced, engage your core. When you're stepping, transfer the weight, left, right, open the rope, start your crossovers. That is how you're going to piece together that little Mayweather combo, that sequence that he does so often. And in fairness, that's why myself and others who can do this look super slick and effortless, because they can tie it all together and make effortless transitions and combinations. So guys, that was over 2 minutes, probably too long, but hope you got some value. As always, do give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget, this Saturday we are restocking the money rope legacy rope, all our colorways as well. So head online, set those alarms, use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. So guys, without further ado, thank you for watching. I'll see you in that next video. So take care of yourself, let's get the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.